Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special video. Do you know why? Because out of the entire ratios and proportions units that we have been working on together, this right here is the very last slide. This is the last question. After this, we're done and we're moving on. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget this is FSA practice. Not only should this be in your notes, but this is incredibly important. Okay, so let's work out how to solve this guy. Oh, and by the way, this is the last section of ratios and proportions as a unit, right? So you can expect that test next week. Notice it is not on Friday, it is next week. Okay? Anyway, let's go ahead and solve. First, let me read my question. One printing machine printed 375 books in 30 hours this week. You already know. I'm comparing books and hours. Okay. A second printing machine printed for 20 hours this week, but printed books at twice the hourly rate of the first machine. This is confusing. There's a reason why I'm teaching this explicitly. This is really like one of your test questions. You need to understand it. So we have two printing machines. Printing machine 1, and here we have printing machine 2. The first one prints at a rate of books in hours. All right, so that's 375 books divided by 30 hours, right? Okay, if we use a calculator and we divide, that's going to be 375 divided by 30. So that's going to be 12.5. 12.5 books in 1 hour. Excellent! Now what do we do? The second printing machine printed for 20 hours, but at twice the hourly rate. They're trying to confuse you. What is twice the rate of this? You take this and you multiply it times 2. 12.5 times 2. This machine prints at a rate of 25 books per hour. If you had not read the question carefully, you would have gotten that one wrong. Now remember, it printed for 20 hours. So if we're multiplying it times 20, yeah, for 1 hour it did 25, right? Well then, for 20 hours, 25 times 20 is 500. Your answer is 500 books. Pause this video and discuss it with your friends if you have any questions. This one's a hard one. That's why I'm teaching it to you directly. But be prepared because this will absolutely be on your test next week. Once again, not Friday, but next week. Okay? Bye, guys.